Honk, Kipper storyboard by Mick Inkpen. Honk, said the gosling. Where did you come from? Said Kipper. Honk, said the gosling again. You can go in the bath, said Kipper. Honk, said the gosling to the plastic duck, which didn't reply. Do you like bubble bath? Said Kipper. Honk, said the gosling, blowing a bubble by accident. Can you only say honk? Said Kipper. The gosling nodded and honked again. It honked at the tower. It honked at the sponge. It honked at the hairdryer. Especially when it blew him out of the bathroom. And it honked as it bumped into Big O. Are you all right? Said Kipper. But the gosling didn't reply. It didn't say honk. It fell fast asleep without saying anything at all.